This is really scary. On the 3rd of July at 4:30 p.m., the manager of Hicks Plumbing in Vancouver, Washington, turned on the alarm system and prepared to lock the shop for the night and the next day. He lingered for a moment, remembering his great uncle, Oliver Hicks, who cherished the 1929 Ford Roadster stored in the back room. Years ago, on the 4th of July, his uncle died sitting in that car. At 10:30, the acrid smell of fireworks was drifting in the air as a preview of the next night. Teenage brothers, Sean and Eric, were strolling past Fort Vancouver High School. Sean said, "Let's head over there by that plumbing shop and snoop around." They'd heard rumors about a plumber's ghost guarding the aged place at night. From the side entrance glass door, they could see some light inside. Thinking of the rumor, Eric said, "I don't see the ghost from here. Maybe we could get inside, but breaking in through a window or a door could set off an alarm. How can we get in?" John peeked around the back of the shop, climbed over a pile of junk to the top of a portable toilet by the wall. He whispered, "I see a hatch cover on the roof. Let's come back tomorrow night with a flashlight and a camera. All the fireworks going off around here will cover up any sounds we make getting in through the roof." At 10 p.m. the next night, the shop's sign and soffit lights were on. Vancouver was an obstreperous war zone. Eric brought the camera. They climbed up to the roof. Sean lifted the hatch cover and beamed his flashlight down in the space below. He could see the top of some shelving and an easy way to the floor. Once inside, they could smell a pungent mixture of dust and heavy mildew covering the place. They carefully prowled ahead, looking everywhere for the ghost. The place was overloaded with plumbing parts, old toilet parts, and supplies. Finally, they came to a door opening to a dark, narrow path by another portable toilet. Around the corner, they looked ahead and saw a very old car. The rear end of it said Ford. Cautiously, Sean focused his light further ahead, on towards the right side of the car. His hand barely touched the handle when suddenly a white face materialized. The eyes opened, glaring at them. The boys panicked and raced helter-skelter back through the shop. They charged back onto the roof and fled into the night. The boys, running away for their lives, brought a smile to the resident ghost of Hicks Plumbing, still watching over his car and his shop. The boys had seen the plumber's ghost, but couldn't prove it. They also knew breaking into the shop was illegal. They agreed this adventure would not be shared with their strict family or added to another rumor for many, many years.